right, friends, here we go with our logic puzzle number 14 about the crazy dentists. Clue number 1 says Paul, whose last name was not Bridge or Crown. So I'm going to find Paul, and we just cross off Bridge and Crown right now. Pulled twice as many teeth as Penny. So let's look at the teeth, and if I recall correctly, there's two different sets of doubles. Okay, so we're going to have, helps if you turn the calculator on, because 47 times 2 is in fact 94, and it says he was twice as many teeth, so he could maybe, that's not 47, that's half as much, and 51 times 2 is 102. So he's one of the upper two. So far, his choices have all been half. That's nice, except for the stamps. All right, pulled twice as many teeth as Penny, which means Penny needs to be one of the lower two teeth numbers, but not as many as Pete. Well, if these are his two options and somebody was higher than him, then he had to do the 94 teeth, which means half of his teeth is the 47. And again, Pete pulled the most teeth, and that means Patty was right there. Look at that, filled out a whole line with just number 1. Oddly, if you added the number of teeth Paul pulled, so that's 94, to the number of teeth Penny pulled, 94 plus 47, 141. The answer would be the number of stamps in Patty's collection. Whoop. That was a lot of words to get one answer. It's cool. All right, number 3. Penny's last name was not Bridge or Crown. Okay, so then we can conclude that Patty and Pete were not Pullum or Yanker. Oh, these names are great. Alrighty. Penny's last name was Bridge or Crown, and Patty's last name was not Bridge, which means she's Crown, which means Pete is Bridge. Number 4, if you subtracted the number for Patty's stamp collection, which we have, from the number of stamps in Yanker's collection, Yanker is going to be either Penny or Paul. The answer would be the number of teeth pulled by Yanker. Subtract the number for Patty's stamp collection from the number of stamps in Yanker's collection, and the answer would be the number of teeth pulled by Yanker. So we're going to look, let's find our differences then. So 188, so I'll move this over if you want to watch, 188 minus 144 is 47. Is that one of the teeth options? That is the smallest teeth option, so I'm guessing that's going to be the one that it needs to be. So that means we were talking about Yanker, and Yanker, so that means this is Yanker, which means this is Pullum. That means Yanker is 188. Now we just have 2 sections to go. Okay, and last one, Pullum collected more stamps than Pete. So first of all, Pullum is not Pete, which we already knew. Pullum is Paul. Paul collected more stamps than Pete. Well, of the 2 options available, that means Paul needs to be 171 to Pete's 140. And there you go.